Smart City Lab, it's a place for peers to come together and understand together.
The connections that happened in this room, the ideation process, the co-creation that happens in this room becomes an excellent foundation for launching the support to the city.
A new chapter in the long collaboration and partnership with the city of Izmir to design a path forward and find how we can help you achieve the vision for the city.
I believe this initiative is really challenging and changing the status quo of what we're doing right now. I don't want to just be a platform of discussion. I want to be a platform of action.
Smart is very close to democracy. For this reason, the main challenge is the conjuncture of the world today.
Smart technology can be the tool, but it's not the challenge itself.
You can have so smart city, but dumb and irresponsible citizens. It wouldn't be any help.
Part of what we're talking about is how you build capacity. That's the strategy.
You really need to understand all of the aspects, the basics of how you're going to get to A to B, and see how technology fits into each one of those pieces. So it doesn't start with the technology, it starts with all of the other aspects.
A digital strategy needs to be a living organism. Because you will try, you will fail, you will learn, and maybe you adapt your strategy.
You need to monitor, iterate, and constantly engage citizens throughout the process so you get it right.
There is a cost of decisions not being made with the people, for the people.
The mayor, what can do, is prepare the land in order that the city becomes attractive to digital investors, talent for digitalization.
We have 15% of unemployment, and which is very serious. Without overcoming this unemployment and the poverty, we cannot build democracy in our city.
What matters really is the definition of the problem, the policies that we're trying to put in place, the institutions, and then comes technology.